How to log in into Deltanet Extranet account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into Deltanet Extranet account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So on your PC, open up a preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in Deltanet Extranet login, and now from the search results head towards the first link. That's gonna take you to the sign in page. Here you have to enter your Delta login ID or your PPR. So here enter your Delta login ID. Under that, enter your correct password associated with your account. If you have any trouble signing in, click on this button that says trouble signing in. Follow the on-screen instructions and that's gonna help you recover your account. So once you're done entering your correct login credential, all you have to do is click on sign in button, and after that you'll be logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.